Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to set up motion zones in the Ring app. So first, open the Ring app and select your Ring camera or doorbell. Then go to the device settings and look for motion settings. From there, select motion zones and choose the option to create or edit a zone. Now use the on-screen controls to highlight the areas where you want the camera to detect motion. And you should avoid including areas that constantly create unnecessary alerts, such as busy roads or neighboring properties. After that, save your changes and test the motion detection. If you're still receiving too many alerts, return to the motion zone settings and adjust the selected area. So that was how to set up motion zones in Ring app. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.